What are the best exercises to do on a vibration plate for weight loss?
Hello and welcome to our fitness tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing the best exercises you can do on a vibration plate to aid weight loss. Incorporating a vibration plate into your workout regimen can intensify your exercises and help you burn more calories. Let's dive in.
What is a vibration plate?
A vibration plate is a machine that vibrates at a high frequency, causing your muscles to contract and relax dozens of times each second. The machine uses whole body vibration to help you burn calories and fat, improving your overall fitness.
Why use a vibration plate for weight loss?
Vibration plates offer a unique workout experience. They stimulate your muscles at a much higher rate than typical workouts, helping you burn more calories in a shorter period. Combining vibration plate workouts with a balanced diet and regular cardio can boost your weight loss efforts.
The best exercises on a vibration plate.
When using a vibration plate, it's essential to perform exercises that engage your whole body. Here are some of the best exercises for weight loss. 1. Squats. Stand on the vibration plate with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body into a squat, then return to the starting position. This is great for working your thighs and glutes. 2. Lunges. Stand in front of the vibration plate. Step one foot onto it and lower your body into a lunge, keeping your back straight. Repeat on the other side. This exercise works your thighs, glutes, and core. 3. Planks. Place your forearms on the vibration plate and extend your body behind you, keeping it in a straight line from your head to your heels. This exercise strengthens your core. 4. Push-ups. Position your hands on the edges of the vibration plate and extend your body behind you. Lower your body towards the plate by bending your elbows, then push back up. This exercise targets your chest, arms, and shoulders. 5. Calf raises. Stand on the vibration plate with your feet hip-width apart. Raise your body onto the balls of your feet, then lower back down. This exercise works your calves. Remember, for all these exercises, try to maintain proper form and control your movements. The vibration of the plate will make the exercises more challenging but also more effective.
Safety considerations.
While vibration plates can offer great benefits, it's crucial to use them safely. Always warm up before starting your workout and cool down afterward. If you're new to this type of exercise, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration as your fitness improves. Also, consult your healthcare provider before starting any new fitness program, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Incorporating a vibration plate into your workout routine can help you reach your weight loss goals faster by adding an extra layer of intensity to your exercises. We hope you find these exercise suggestions helpful as you embark on your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key to weight loss success. So, keep up the good work, and we'll see you next time.